Ладно. А мы просто переодеваться, потому что сейчас скоро уже это. Да. Он монгол? Это монгол? Она была раньше директор школы.
Не, попробуй.
Я не могу его попробовать.
Не, можешь.
Красивый.
This is a special day. Urui! I howl! Urui! I howl! I howl! I howl! Onna bilegi bihigi. Oh, I dök. Now we're gonna make a circle dance. Hey, 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 hey. Once more, for peace, for love, for harmony, for all of us. Urui! Urui!
Small ceremony of the Yakut community. We invite the first time people from outside to...
And laughter is the best medicine, and she will show us how to use it. No pharmacy business, only laughter. Поплотнее.
Very good, very good. Ha 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 ha. Very good, very good. Ha 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 ha.
das ist kein Geld, ist okay, wenn ich dann vielleicht nochmal für so mein Geld. Ja. Ja.
Das ist isländisch.
Und dann kannst du das mal ausprobieren. Also die Grenzen, ich mach das manchmal nicht.
Without any fear, I walk in a dream with sweet energy. I'm singing out loud, happy and glad. I was down in you. I'm singing out loud, happy, loud and proud. I know what you say, but I say, hey, go with my baby, go alone my way. I'm a man, believe
I have no words, you know, after this is, you are so great, you are so super nice, and we are so blessed to have you this evening. But I have some prize also here, Chobon prize for the star. I feel like a sister, especially from this concert and all the love from my father, which he really respects you, and he loves you like a son. So this award for you, but you know that maybe we not in contact much, but I really connected with you, and I think we are real relative. Thank you. Yeah. So next Cholbon goes to Søren.
Dankeschön. That's good.
Por eso Alejandro el nombre Alejandro por el
Вот. У нас, привет. Если кто заинтересован, сейчас мы будем проводить воркшопы разные. Да, я буду делать это вязание крючком. Если кто хочет, может, девочки хотят. Если не получится с этим, то мы потом попробуем вот это. Алексей, ты скажи, если вот не получится с этим, мы попробуем вот это. Do you want to do a try? Do you want to try? Yeah. Yeah?
зубы надо поставить вот на плоскую, на вот эти плоские зубы. Да, такие. Ла-ла-ла. And you can use together with this different sounds. La la la, lo lo lo, la la la, lu lu lu. Anything you can imagine.
Deswegen klingt es so wunderbar auf Menschen beruhigend. Also ich arbeite als wissenschaftlicher Mitarbeiter und sogar als ich meinen Professoren vorgespielt habe, waren wir alle so und die Professoren, das sind Steine, Emotionen, ja, richtig.
Yes. We understand. But we need, everyone needs two sticks. Нужно две палочки, да, two sticks. You can choose six sticks. I want a little bit, but I think it's not bad. Or you can find your own sticks which you like, which you see somewhere.
Not to suppress it and to set it free. Live my family. Always like super high, like strong energy.
Но вы помните, что ваш желудок в кулак. Он вот такой.
Вот, надо с этого начинать.
Это очень калорийное блюдо.
Вижу, морковки не пожалели. Молодцы.
Ну так вы ж
And it's really true story. It's a true story.
So we're strongly connected now. Anything is impossible. Everything is possible. Be a big spirit, strong spirit. It's our time now.
Yeah.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, okay. Still Melinda is around. And Aita, you? Okay. Okay. Aita, first Aita. Okay. Aita, let's check Aita. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
I think 2.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 and a half. Okay, 11 and a half. Look at this. Okay. Take all of it. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And the prize is, This, but you will also have beautiful for your hair also. What we have, so this is the symbol of our spirits. Tell me, please, how many shampoo you use for your hair? Half of shampoo. Oh my gosh, it's not practical actually, huh?
Different instruments, and we are not limited by any tradition or style. We just are looking for our own state in the music and fix it in some compositions.
Yes, we're supporting this festival. We want to be part of it. So, this concert, Katrin. Woo! Thank you so much. You inspire me. Thank you. Okay, Zviadi. Masretin Gruß or not? Where you been? So, Zviadi, your applause. Mass wrestling is for what? Why we are developing mass wrestling? He said we're developing it for the health of the generation, and much more sportsmen would be in this world. Okay, people. Okay, you know what? It's she also get a prize. And soon we will have a lottery, and it would be this beautiful T-shirt. She was sponsoring it. It's your company making it. Beautiful. Are you excited? Okay. Sargilana, thank you. Dima from Slovakia. Actually, he's from Ukraine, but he lives in Slovakia. But he is my soulmate. Dmitry, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, he also is always helping. He knows how it works. And Sardana Khabarova, Sweden. But she was born in Yakutia. We are very connected. So she always, when my family goes to Sweden, she always helps, and we always stay with her, and she's all about Yakut culture, nomad culture. Yes, yes. How did you like this festival?
I can speak Swedish.
No.
Or Yakutisk.
Okay, say
Machtal.
Machtal. Machtal is thank you. Machtal. So you learn new words. It's Machtal. Thank you. Next to Yara Morozova, Finlandia. Yakutia, but lives in Finlandia. She always meeting many people from Yakutia. She has a nice sauna, you know. When you're in what is it? Kouvola in Finland. So she would welcome you always. You said you're from Nomad Spirit, you're from Maria, and she would always welcome you at her home and sauna. So. And the next guy, it's Yuri with the tastiest plov. Yes, who tried plov? Yura!
Voice,
Yura, come! Hero of the day!
Busy at the grill right now.
Really? My best friend of my father's daughter. She lives in Austria, and she's gonna make a scientific research about how we develop and saving tradition, living in not in our republic. So in Europe, we made Ысыах or something like it everywhere. So soon also Ысыах would be in Frankfurt also, yes. So and she's gonna study it, make reports and analyze it. How we still saving it and why? So yeah, thank you. So I hope Yura. Yeah. We live in one city village, and we actually met through stomach. I really like his shashlik, and then I started to invite for this festival to make it and share that he's very nice cooker, and of course he's a very nice friend, and he always helping me with everything. Yes, person who really helped me for 15 years to be as a yam. Do you know who? Try to guess. Arnar, yes! How did you notice it? Yeah, he's still standing by his side for 15 years, taking care for everything. Yeah, I'm crazy woman. I'm unstoppable. I said we're gonna do it, and we do it, and then he said, "How? You just follow and shut up." that's how it goes to Arnar, my only one. Thank you, Dan. Да, вы не слышали? And of course for Zhenya. Zhenya, you know, she is also a beautiful person. And in Berlin, she always meeting us, also inviting to our home. Tommy! So you, of course, it's the beginning, you should practice, but you should practice with this one. It's a mixture, the most ecological one. Yes, that's how you train muscles for mass wrestling. Yeah, I'm a champion woman, absolute, nomad spirit. This is for you training. Maybe next time we'll go and show for everyone. It sucks. We're gonna win it. Yes? Are you ready? Are you ready to go to championship?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah. Contact me. We will show. How did you like actually this?
Yeah, it was very nice, interesting, because I've never tried that.
Did you know that you're strong?
A little bit. Like,
so
not
you
too strong.
go for sport every day or how?
No, like maybe once or two times a week.
So maybe you have a really strong spirit. Yes. So what do you think helped you to win?
I don't know. Sometimes I hang, like not.
Let's guess. Maybe you also fortune telling. Maybe someone gonna win. Do you know it would be woman or man?
Maybe a woman.
Woman. Okay. Oh yes, smart answer. Women will love you. Yeah. Okay, so it will be first this because it's have a symbol. of our festival. So are you ready to make a woman happy?
Okay.
Okay, do it. Learn it now. So. Okay, who is this? Rinat!
Thank you very much.
Actually, you have a chance tomorrow to buy it. Please support the master from Yakutia.
Okay, let's see who it is.
And it's Ralph. Okay, and the city of this Honkorto. Okay. It's a special present for Nomad Spirit Festival. And it's Skazi. Skazi, but it's very Icelandic name, yes? Skazi. Norwegian, you're from Norway?
No, I'm from Germany.
But he's from Norway, no. You related, it's cheating. No, I'm joking. And then, this beautiful guy. It's a prize from Dima from Slovakia. It's a nomad guy from African tribe, yes? And of course it will bring you good luck and health and wealth. Please, who is it? Maybe it's man, and it will bring the manpower for him. Okay. It's Jose!
Oh my goodness!
It will bring manpower to you! So be ready for us listening tomorrow! This is for you. Okay. Who wants it? Who wants it? Okay, maybe universe listen to you, maybe you ancestral spirits. So pray now. It's Henrik! Henrik! Who's Henrik? Now, let's go for my favorite Eduard Terbukin. Should I play? Or maybe someone will play and sure. Clemens, where are you, Clemens?
I also know how to play that.
You want to
Someone who helped a lot to people. Okay?
Popova!
Lena Popova! Lena Popova! Lena Popova gave the second. Let's see who is. Lena, what you were eating today? Tell us, share us. What we should do to win? Что мы должны есть для того, чтобы выиграть? Или что ты делаешь? Ты очень много помогаешь людям? Are you helping a lot?
Сейчас такая сложная жизнь, сложная жизнь, и, наверное, моя искренняя надежда на то, что все будет хорошо, вот она.
She said that now it's a hard time, but your strong hope that everything would be nice help to win and get this luck. I think so. Let's see who will win from us, okay? A woman? Oh, you say man. I think it would be some beautiful woman. Or I mean, beautiful heart. Beauty is open, nice, loving heart. That's how we see beauty. Okay? So pray, everyone.
I hope it's my dad.
Michael Feldman. If he's here. Oh, it's you. He was writing email to me. This is for you. I guess you're special, man. It cannot. So this is incredible, beautiful, beautiful. Oops. Look at this beauty.
Oh, I really want that one, but I know I can't. I really want that one, but I can't.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I guess it's a man and he's around 50. Okay? That's fortune tell. So then we are lucky. Then we are lucky. And who is the luckiest? The last luckiest.
There I thought.
Oh, it's super nice.
Valentina! Please. Valentina!
She will play for you. And tomorrow.
Asal itu ada orang tu yang pernah kan?
This is
Take him first.
У нас встретится много разных людей из разных стран. Особенно для меня очень приятно, потому что мои предки из Алтая. И да, быть с мамой это маленькая дочка Алтая.
I want to thank everyone that has been part of this festival. It was very, very nice to meet each and one of you. It was very interesting to hear everyone's stories.
It's our tradition in our republic, so it's called Salama, making wishes and uncle. He was my professor. He used to always call me Maria. I don't know, all 5 years, but he used to call me Maria. But then I asked him, why does he call me Maria? I'm contact friends on Facebook. But now, I don't know, something happened. I saw the announcement about Nomad Spirit Festival. I said, we go. I asked from him, you are Nomad, I am Nomad, we have to go. He said, we hear the soccer terminology. He says, Belem Che. Belem Che. Ready, start. Belem Che. Belem Che. Belem Che.
Посещение этого фестиваля для меня это что-то очень-очень глубокое, что-то такое глубокое соединение. И и очень такой важный шаг делаете. Я очень рада и я очень не то чтобы приятно удивлена, просто очень много эмоций.
Кочевникам, не знаю, относить себя по национальному типу или нет, скорее всего нет, но в душе я, конечно, кочевник, потому что кочую всю жизнь с одного места на другое. Да, и я безумно благодарна, Маша, тебе за то, что мы здесь. Мы невидимые работники тыла были, много чего не видели.
На русском языке от меня лично и от моей команды, от нашего проекта «Шудан». Это Райна, это Полония, Галина, Кэстин, Катрин и Аня, они уже, к сожалению, отъехали. От них тоже слова благодарности. Мария, тебе за то, что ты нас пригласила. Клеменсу за то, что ты это все организовал и сделал. За эту восхитительную природу, за этих прекрасных людей, за замечательную музыку, за то, что мы смогли здесь познакомиться с этими прекрасными людьми из Монголии. Наш проект называется «Шудан», это по-монгольски означает «почта».
In Mongolian language, post, like post, post office post.
Спасибо за эту инспирацию, за это вдохновение. И я надеюсь, что мы увидимся в следующем году опять.
Yeah, thank you so much for all the experiences. It feels like